Hi, my name is Ivan. I am from Belarus, and this is EcoMask. As of March 2022, approximately 129 billion single-use face masks were disposed. This is similar to the environmental impact of plastic bottles. Most surgical masks are made from plastic polymer and polypropylene. In addition to polypropylene taking 20 to 30 years to decompose, it also releases carcinogens while decomposing. Moreover, it also emits significant amount of CO2. Producing 1 kilogram of polypropylene emits a minimum of 2 kilograms of CO2. Because masks weigh 3 to 4 grams and nearly entirely polypropylene, 387 million kilograms of polypropylene face masks are disposed of every month. Because of CO2 conversion, presumably 850,000 tons of CO2 from producing masks is released into the atmosphere. In addition, KN95 masks are heavier and therefore require more resources to be made and have a high environmental negative impact due to longer time for decomposition. Currently, environmentally friendly solutions include cloth masks and face shields. However, both of them have solid drawbacks. While cloth masks effectively block exhale of virus particles, they are not great at protecting the mask wearer from inhaling particles and offer very little protection against Omicron. According to a study by a group of researchers at Yale and Stanford, double-layer cotton masks are only 37% effective at filtering particles, while surgical masks were 95% effective. Additionally, cloth masks must be dried and washed frequently to function well. Face shields offer even less protection than cloth masks, as droplets can go around the shell into the nose and mouth. They have also been unable to protect wearer. My solution is the EcoMask. A biodegradable face mask will help solve the problem that disposable polymer masks create, as it will break down much faster and in a much more eco-friendly way. EcoMask has 5 layers. The first is a protective covering made of paper, which will keep the inside filters cleaner and safe. The second is an air and water filter made out of woven cheetahs or nanofibers. And third is another air filter made out of polylactic acid or PLA membranes. These filters will keep larger particles and respiratory droplets from coming in or out of the mask. The fourth layer is a respiratory filter made out of woven gelatin nanofibers. This layer will keep smaller respiratory droplets that the previous layers didn't filter. The last layer is another protective paper covering. This structure is similar to one of the KN95 masks, which also has 5 layers, and a surgical mask, which has 3. The EcoMask also has a PLA ear straps and a nose clip for user adjustment, which will both provide great comfort and will also keep the mask fitted to the user's face. Since the EcoMask has a similar structure to KN95 and surgical masks, it is adjustable to fit the user's face as a K95 mask is. So the EcoMask is projected to be able to filter out 85% of particles. In addition, the EcoMask will decompose entirely within 12 weeks. So the target audience of the EcoMask are governments, upper-class individuals, and big companies. To scale the product, more and bigger factories are going to be built to produce more EcoMasks. As I scale, I will work with engineers to improve the machines and methods in order to produce more masks a day and hopefully make more masks available to governments with less money. In addition, I consider the widespread use of EcoMasks in hospitals and other clinical institutions to be the main measure of EcoMask's success. EcoMasks can replace any existing medical masks because of their improved quality, price, and environmental friendliness. Although it can be said that the major virus Omicron is now not as dangerous as it was, so masks are not in need anymore, there are plenty other hostile viruses outside, which can be partially avoided by wearing EcoMasks. Despite the daily use of EcoMasks, their implementation would be most effective during epidemics. Their efficiency would be expressed in less manufacture costs, smaller chances of spreading a disease, and no harm to the environment. Therefore, huge amounts of money on medicine and manufacture can be saved, and the environment would be preserved. Thanks for watching my page. I hope that by means of my business idea and your help, we will make the world better.